I'm Sosa. I've been playing the kit for over 10 years. I currently play with Goisagi, a taiko group out of Dallas, Fort Worth, and Do You Speak Drum, a drum circle facilitation duo, and Cajon with Dallas Flamenco Conservatory. I love Collision 5B because it has the weight that I need to get the most impact. And it really just helps me branch out and explore and try new things when I am enjoying myself and just kind of experimenting with my kit. So I'm going to play a bit of Wipeout for you by the Ventures.